Lemongrass, 11 powerful health benefits you should know. Lemongrass is a fascinating herb known for its vibrant flavor and numerous health benefits. This versatile plant is not only a popular ingredient in many cuisines but also a powerhouse of medicinal properties. It can aid in weight loss, relieve pain, support digestive health, and even promote relaxation. Join me as we explore the incredible benefits of lemongrass and discover how to incorporate this amazing herb into your daily routine. 1. Promoting weight loss. Lemongrass has diuretic properties, promoting the elimination of accumulated fluid. This can help reduce abdominal bloating, making it a good option for a weight loss diet. 2. Treating gastritis. Lemongrass helps treat gastritis as it contains high levels of flavonoids and tannins. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that neutralize and reduce stomach acid, aiding in the treatment of acid reflux and gastritis. Lemongrass also has bactericidal properties, which can complement medical treatment for H. pylori, a bacteria that can cause gastritis, peptic ulcers, and even some types of cancer. 3. Relieving pain. Lemongrass contains myrcene and citrul, bioactive compounds with analgesic properties. It can complement the treatment of headaches, muscle pain, stomach aches, and rheumatism. 4. Reducing LDL cholesterol. Lemongrass is rich in antioxidants like limonene and geraniol, which help fight free radicals and prevent fat oxidation. This may help reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, preventing heart attacks, strokes, and atherosclerosis. 5. Managing blood pressure. Lemongrass's diuretic properties help eliminate excess sodium through urine, aiding in blood pressure management. Additionally, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, like citrul, limonene, and geraniol, reduce inflammation and promote vasodilation, improving circulation and preventing high blood pressure. 6. Preventing cancer. Lemongrass is rich in antioxidants that strengthen the immune system and help prevent the growth and development of cancer cells. 7. Managing insomnia and anxiety. Lemongrass contains compounds with sedative effects, like citrul, that improve sleep quality. Its soothing and relaxing properties also help treat stress and anxiety. 8. Healing wounds. Lemongrass essential oil has potent antimicrobial properties and can be applied directly to the skin to speed up wound healing. 9. Treating yeast infections. Lemongrass has antifungal properties that help combat Candida albicans, the fungus responsible for vaginal yeast infections and oral thrush. It may also aid in treating other fungal infections like mycosis and athlete's foot. 10. Treating bad breath. With its bactericidal and antiseptic properties, lemongrass can be used in teas or mouth gargles to combat bad breath caused by gingivitis and gum inflammation. 11. Repelling insects. Lemongrass repels insects like flies and mosquitoes due to its strong aroma. How to use it. Lemongrass can be used to make teas and juices or in wound dressings. Its essential oil can be applied to the skin to treat wounds and yeast infections. Lemongrass bandage. Soak a piece of gauze or cloth in lemongrass tea and apply it to the wound or irritated skin. Leave it on for at least 15 minutes. Lemongrass essential oil. Mix 3 drops of essential oil with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, like coconut, jojoba, or olive oil, and apply it to the wound or yeast infection. Avoid sun exposure for at least 6 hours after applying the oil to prevent skin irritation. Lemongrass essential oil can also be used as a bug repellent or room fragrance by adding 3 to 5 drops to a diffuser. How to make lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea is easy to make and can be consumed 1 to 3 times a day. Ingredients: 2 to 3 fresh lemongrass stalks, or 2 to 3 teaspoons dried lemongrass. 4 cups water. Honey or lemon, optional. Instructions: cut and crush the lemongrass. Boil 4 cups of water. Add lemongrass and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and serve with honey or lemon if desired. Contraindications. Lemongrass should be avoided during pregnancy, breastfeeding, and before surgery. It may cause skin irritation and lower blood pressure or blood sugar, so those with hypotension or diabetes should use it with caution. Always consult a healthcare provider if you have concerns. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more interesting videos.